Good morning, students. So, as far as Monday classes are concerned, we will not be having only morning session class. Okay, only morning session classes are suspended. Means from 1:45 you will have the classes as usual. Okay, and Mr. Akhilesh will not have classes on Saturdays and Sundays. Hope that is also clear. And for everyone, I am telling, Saturdays and Sundays we will not be having any classes. And coming to notes part, yesterday you might have seen 3 chapters notes, and I hope it is clear for you people. And one more thing is, you can write it in white paper or in your rule paper. Please put the date properly when you are noting down the notes. Okay, and no need to submit it. Just write within the time. Just write within the time. On Monday, yeah, my class will not be there. Morning classes will be suspended because you people have to come to school. And Akila ma'am might have kept a message in your group. So please get date of birth and other originals along with you so that you can take them back. And one more thing is, please come with pink color uniform and with proper hairstyle and all. Since you people are in lockdown, some may have haircut and some may not have haircut. So please, boys and girls, please come with 2 platelets. 2 జడలు వేసుకొని రండి కిందకి, పైకి అవసరం లేదు. Yes, income certificate, yes, it is necessary. If your parents are having that income certificate, they can get it. If not, they have to write a letter. Tie, belt, yes, obviously you need to get it because we are going to take a passport size photo. Belt doesn't matter, but tie and badge do matters.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
My father will talk to you now.
Not right now because I cannot disturb others.
Okay, sir.
Shoes also not required. I can't do anything for that. You have to look over it. Okay. Hope you people are aware how to save a document. I'm sorry, ma. I will not give my number to anyone. Okay. So check here once. So this is Word, and you know how to save a document, right? What are the steps we have to follow? You have to go to File, click on Save or Save As. Okay, if it is a new file, you can make it as a save. If you want to save a duplicate document, means already one document is there with other name and you want to save the same content with other name, then you can go with Save As. Okay, this is how you save your document. And if you want to open file, what you have to do, go to Open, and whatever the documents are saved in your desktop, you can open. Okay, see, I'm opening your notes. See here, I have already made it. Okay, this is how you open your document. And also saving, go to File, click on Save, and give the name with Save or Save As. Okay, if you click on Save As, it will ask you where you have to save. If you want to save it in desktop, just give the location where you want to save and followed by the name and save it. And if you want to open, what you have to do? Same task again. Go to File tab, click on Open, and click on whatever the file you want to or wish to open. This is how you open a document. Okay, and see here in the Home tab, if you observe carefully, have you seen some words are underlined with red color? This Pallava, Vengi, and Vijayanagara, all these are underlined with even here Swachhata Sarvekshan. Actually, Swachhata Sarvekshan is a Hindi word, so only it is not able to correct that. So if you see here, what you can do, just click on this option here. Wherever the mistakes are there, what happens? It will automatically take you there. Okay, see here. Just right click it and click on Add to Dictionary. Okay, just select the text, right click on the mouse and click on Add to Dictionary if you want to add. Okay, and suppose if I want to, if some mistake is there, okay, or I want to make it replace some word with other word. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to Find. I can go to Find. One second, ma. Okay, see here. So if I want to replace a word with something, suppose I want to, is it not visible? Okay, one second. About now? So if I want to replace a word, what I have to do is go to is and replace it with was. Okay, if you click on replace all, wherever is there, it will replace is with was. If you go with replace, it will show where is present and it will be presented with was. See, it is selecting even in between. If any spellings are there with is, even that will be replaced. See, Vishakhapatnam, it is having is, so it is replacing with was. So wherever is there, that will be done. And again, if you want to vice versa, the same you can follow. So see here, before it was Visakhapatnam. So this is how you find and replace. And suppose if you are having some multiple pages, like if you are having some 150 pages and all, and if you want to go to that number, then what you have to do is go to find and click on go to see here page and just enter the page number. What it will do is it will directly go to the page number. See, we got page number 2. Okay, if you want to, if there are many pages, suppose 130 or 150 pages are there, and if you want to go for page number 140, the first thing you have to do is you have to scroll, and it will take time for you. So instead of doing that, and if you want to make our job easy, go to find and click on go to and click page. Okay, if you click on page number, it will take you to that wherever you want to go. Okay, ma'am. This is how you jump to page numbers. And suppose I'm typing see here, if you observe here, it is underlined with blue color. So what does it mean? Blue color means what? There is some mistake in forming the sentence. So instead of that, if you check it, what it will do, if you go, it will show the correct one. Okay, so even though the spelling is correct, and if any grammatical mistake is there in between, then it will show with blue color. Okay, and if total meaning is wrong, then it will show with green color. And if there is any spelling mistake, then it will show with red color. So understand, the spelling is wrong, so it is underlined with the red color. Okay, now it have removed. And suppose if there is any grammatical error, there is no word with is you. So what you have to do, even you can add this also. That green color line one, sure. Tell me some mistake. I will type and then I'll show. So that question mark is missing. So it is showing with the blue color. Tell me one sentence, Shashank.
Which sentence, sir?
Any sentences.
Means right or wrong sentences. Like,
Wrong sentence.
where is your name?
Okay. But I think it will show with so where is your name is also correct. That is not wrong one.
Whose is your name, sir?
I will be typing. I think they are showing with now with blue color, Nana, not with green. They might have replaced. See here, here grammatical mistake is there. Differences of options. Okay, and see here, see difference of options. Now they have replaced it with blue color. They are not previous. If you are using 2007 and 2010 or 2003, then it will show with green color. Since this is 2019 version, it is not showing with green color. Okay, and suppose if you want the meaning of any word which you don't know, there is no need of going to Google and search it. Suppose if you want some what you say synonyms or antonyms for that, then what you can do is there will be teachers present here. Where in review tab, see here teachers is there. Just go to teachers and select. See here options. Since before we have selected options word is selected here. See here choices, selections, decisions, possibilities, opportunities. Okay, teachers is nothing but synonyms or antonyms of that particular word. See a gap, hole, opening, break, breach, stop the. Sure. Are you people able to see or not?
Yes, sir.
Then who is it who is unable to see it?
Yes, sir.
You people are hope because even I will come to know. So gap is, so if you want any antonym or synonym, just go to review tab and click on teachers and you will get it. Okay, just type the word whatever you want. Okay. And what is this undo and redo options? Undo and redo options. Yes.
Sir, can you tell, sir?
Yes.
Undo means if we backspace anything means if we do undo means it will come again, sir.
And redo?
Redo means again we want back one means we want to click on that, sir.
Suppose if we suppose if there is any mistake and if you want to erase it, just you can click on undo. And if you if you change your mind and if you want that back, then you can click on redo. Okay, see here. So if I don't want this, just click on undo, or the shortcut for undo is Control plus Z. And if I want to redo, Control plus Y. Do remember this. Control plus Z is undo, Control plus Y is redo. Okay. Whatever, how many ever times we did, but we should not click on save. Once if you save a document and if you click on undo, it will not work. Okay, before saving a document and if you press n number of times, means any number of times if you click on undo and redo, definitely it will work. But once if you save a document and click on undo or redo, it won't work. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Undo and redo? Yes or no? Please answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So undo and redo options you came to know, and the shortcuts are Control plus Z and Control plus Y. And find and replace, where that it will be present, in which tab it will be present, in home tab and in editing group. Okay, find and replace option. So if you want to replace any word, what you have to do, just go to replace, whatever the option you want to, whatever the spelling or whatever the word you want to replace with, just complete it. No need to send. Complete it, that is enough. And next, what is go to use it for? Here find go to is there. What it is used for? If there are number of pages, if there are more number of pages, and if we want to go to any particular page, then we can enter. If we want, means we can change the colors, red and blue color, using find and replace. Shashank, using find and replace or in general?
Okay, sir.
What you are asking? And I didn't get, you are telling okay.
Sir means if any spelling mistake came in down, red color coming now, sir. We can change that color, sir.
Means if you want to avoid it, just go, check it and see. So personal spelling is wrong. Just select the text, right click on it, and correct the spelling. Okay. Suppose if you are entering your name, usually our Indian names will not be available in MS Word. So what we can do is, if you are repeating it again and again, just add to dictionary. Just click
Sir,
on
sir, I am asking that now Shashank down one red color line came, sir.
Yes.
That we can change or not, sir?
Color? No.
Yes, sir.
No, you can't. We can't change. That
Okay,
is
sir.
predefined. That is programmed one. We can't change. Is the meaning of teachers is searching? No, it's not that. Teachers is synonyms and antonyms of a word. Teacher means synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms and enti, same meaning, or antonyms, opposite words. That is called as teachers. Suppose if you are reading any document and you don't know the spelling, then you can go for teachers and you can. Else what you have to do, either you have to open a dictionary or you have to Google it. Okay. Yes, it is inbuilt dictionary, Nana. Correct. So 3 chapters in your Word documentation are done, and I have given notes for all those 3, and you don't have any grammar part for that. So please copy down that, and I am stopping recording.